Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varadrajan from Army Public School, Bangalore. In this video, you are going to learn knowing our numbers for class 6th. You know already set of natural numbers. It will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And next is set of whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. It continues up to infinity. In this lesson, you are going to solve few sums related to the natural numbers and the whole numbers. One of the sum is use the given digit. Use the given digits. Use the given digit without repetition. Repetition. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number, and they have given 2874. They have given 2874. You have to use this and make the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number. Now here greatest number and the smallest number using this digit. Here 8 is the highest digit, therefore it is 8742 and it is 2478. And one more sum of the same type is 4750. Here using these numbers, greatest number is 7540 and here smallest number cannot starts with 0. If the number starts with 0, then it will become the 3-digit number. We have to make the 4-digit number, therefore it is 4057. And one more type is make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice. And they have given a 3-digit number. From this 3-digit number, you have to make 4-digit number and the smallest and the greatest number and the smallest number. Here it is 87387 and greatest digit is 8873 and the smallest one is 3378. Only one number should repeat. Here greatest number is repeating and here the smallest number is repeating. Next is 905. From this you have to make greatest number and the smallest number. Here in greatest number it is 950 and greatest number is 9, therefore it is 9950 and the smallest number cannot start with 0 and therefore it will start with 5009. Here that smallest number is repeating, and here greatest number is repeating. And one more type of sum is make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number, make the greatest, make greatest and smallest 4-digit number with 4-digit number using any 4 different digits. You have to use any 4 different digits with the condition given below. With the condition given below, you have to make greatest and the smallest 4-digit number, and you have to use the different digits. You have to use the different digits, and then there is a condition given. First one is digit 7 at ones place, and you have to make greatest and the smallest. You are making the 4-digit number. 7 should be in the ones place. 7 should be in the ones place, and it will start with 9 and then 8, and 7 is there already, therefore it is 9867. And smallest number cannot start with 0, therefore it is 1027. And one more is digit 4 at tens place. Digit 4 at tens place, you have to make greatest and the smallest 4-digit number, greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. It is greatest and smallest. 4 should be in the tens place. 4 should be in the tens place. The number, greatest number starts with 9, 8, and afterwards 7 it is. 9847, and the smallest number cannot start with 0, therefore it is 1 and then 0 and 1042. 1042. Next, one more here, digit 9 at digit 9 at hundreds place. 9 at hundreds place, you have to make greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Now greatest and the smallest 4-digit number, and the condition is 9 should be there in the hundreds place. 9 should be there in the hundreds place, and the greatest number starts with 9, but 9 is there already, therefore it will be 8, 9, afterwards 7 and 6. 8976. It is 8976, and smallest number starts with 1. You cannot start with 0, therefore 1919, and then here after this the smallest number 19, and here it is 23. 1902 here. 1902. 1902. Now here first you have to write 7 at ones place, and the numbers from the greatest number 9, 8, 6, and it is in the descending order. And here 7 is there already at ones place, therefore the number cannot start with 0, therefore 102. Here digit 4 at tens place, first you write 4 in the tens place, 987. and here it is 1 0 and 4 was there already. Next number is 2. Digit 9 at hundreds place, both the places you write 9, and then after 9 the greatest number is 8 and 7 and 6, and here 1 0 2. And one more type of sum which you have learnt already in the smaller classes, but here we are going to take little bigger number. Great. Now question, write the following, write the following in the expanded form or standard form. Expanded form or standard form. Write the following in the expanded form or the standard form, and one of the number which I have taken is 30458094. 30458094. Now it is 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 numbers are there, therefore it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros. Okay, then it is 7 zeros means it is 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore. Next, 0 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros. 3 4 5 6. It is 10 lakhs. Then 4 into 1 2 3 4 5. That means 1 2 3 4 5. It is 1 lakh. And then it is plus after 304. Then it is 5. 5 into 1 followed by 1 followed 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. It is 10,000 plus 8 into 1 2 3. That is 1000 plus 0 into 100. 0 into 100 and 9 into 10. 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. This you have learnt already in the smaller class, but here I have taken a little more bigger number. That means here 3 into 1 followed by 7 zeros and 0 into 1 followed by 6 zeros, and then 4 into 1 followed by 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 into 1 followed by 4 zeros, and 8 into 1000 and 0 into 100 and 9 into 10 and 4 into 1. And this we can write in the form of powers. That means 3 into 10 to the power of 7. If you multiply 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 7, if you multiply 7 times, you will get 1 crore. And then 0 into 10 to the power of 6, 0 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 4 into 1 2 3 4 5, 10 to the power of 5. If you multiply 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 5 times, you will get 1 lakh, and then plus after 4 it is 5 into 10 to the power of 4, 5 into 10 to the power of 4, and then it is 8 into 10 to the power of 3, and 0 into 10 to the power of 2, and then 9 into 10 to the power of 1, 9 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0. Here 10 to the power of 7 means 10 into 10 into 10. If you multiply 7 times, you will get 1 crore. And then here after 0 into 10 to the power of 6 and 4 into 10 to the power of 5 and 5 into 10 to the power of 4. And then here next is 8 into 10 to the power of 3, and 0 into 10 to the power of 2, and 9 into 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 means 10 one times, and 10 to the power of 0 means there is no 10 only, it is 1. 10 to the power of 0 value is 1. Therefore, you can write this in both the ways. Anyhow, for your first lesson, only this step is enough. And then one more type of sum is now how many 10,000 make 1 lakh? 1 lakh. Now you know 1 lakh means 1 followed by 5 zeros, and then 10,000 means 1 followed by 4 zeros. Here it is 5 zeros, and here it is 4 zeros, and then if it gets cancels, you are going to get 10. That means 10 10,000s make 1 lakh. And one more sum of the same type is how many 100,000 make 1 million? Make 1 million. Here 1 million divided by 100,000. 1 million divided by 100,000. 1 million is 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros here. And then 100,000 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 10 100,000s make 1 million. And one more last sum. How many million make 1 crore? How many millions make 1 crore? How many millions make 1 crore? 1 million, okay, 1 crore over 1 crore over 1 million. 1 crore followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 10 million means 1 followed by, here it is 7 zeros, and here it is 6 zeros. Here these will get cancels, and here is equal to 10. How many millions make 1 crore? 1 crore means 1 followed by 7 zeros, and then 1 million means it is 10 lakhs, that is 6 zeros. Therefore 1 million make 1 crore. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.